Ever wondered how ordinary denim gets that stunning tinted vintage look? The transformation begins inside the garment washing factory. This is where specially processed jeans are transformed through a carefully controlled tint washing process. First, the jeans are sorted according to fabric type, design, shade, and production requirements. The batch is then accurately weighed because chemical and water quantities depend on the total garment load. The measured denim is loaded into a high-capacity industrial washing machine.
The operator selects a precise recipe based on the desired tint, fabric composition, and final appearance.
Controlled water enters the machine, creating the correct environment for the washing and tinting stages. The garments begin tumbling, allowing water to penetrate evenly through every part of the denim.
A carefully measured tinting formulation is prepared according to the target shade and production recipe.
The tinting solution is introduced under controlled conditions so the color develops consistently across the entire batch. As the drum rotates, the tint gradually interacts with the denim surface, creating the characteristic tinted appearance. The key is controlled absorption, which gives the fabric an even tone without destroying its natural denim character. Mechanical action is carefully controlled because too much agitation can create unwanted creases, marks, or uneven coloration.
Temperature, time, water level, and mechanical movement are continuously monitored throughout the process. After the tinting stage, the used liquor is drained, and the garments move toward rinsing. Fresh water removes excess color and processing residues from the denim surface. Now the denim begins to reveal its new tinted shade, with a cleaner and more refined appearance.
The wet garments are transferred to a hydro extractor, where excess water is removed at high speed. Next, controlled drying removes remaining moisture while helping develop the final fabric appearance. Once dry, the jeans are carefully removed and prepared for detailed quality inspection.
Inspectors compare the finished shade with an approved standard to ensure batch-to-batch consistency.
Every detail is checked, from color uniformity and fabric appearance to seams, pockets, and overall garment construction. And that is how denim jeans receive their distinctive tinted finish, combining chemistry, controller washing, and expert craftsmanship.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.